Imagine lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling, wondering if your marriage is over, the arguments, the distance. The unspoken hurts piling up like a wall between you and the one you love. I was there, feeling utterly alone, till one overlooked Bible verse sparked a miracle that mended our broken hearts overnight. If you're carrying that same quiet desperation, wondering if God still hears your prayers, keep watching. This could be the whisper of hope you've been waiting for. If it resonates, join our Shepherd's Faith family by subscribing now. Let's walk through these challenges together and discover God's grace waiting just for you. Let me take you back to Sarah and Mike's story. Ordinary folks like you and me, juggling work, kids, and the daily grind. But over time, the spark faded. Sarah felt neglected, buried under endless to-do lists, while Mike's stress from a tough job made him short-tempered. Small disagreements snowballed into full-blown arguments, words flying like arrows that pierced deeper each time. One night it hit the breaking point. Sarah whispered through tears, "Can't do this anymore," as Mike stormed out, both carrying wounds from years of unmet needs. It's that ache we all know too well, isn't it? The fear that love has slipped away, and maybe even God feels distant in the chaos. But what if those very trials are setups for a divine breakthrough? Stay with me to uncover how faith turned their despair into something beautiful. Sarah left the house that night, driving aimlessly, her heart heavy with regret. Rock bottom hit when she realized the kids were suffering too, that gut-wrenching guilt of a family fracturing. Wondering if her prayers were even reaching heaven. Pulling over, she opened her Bible app in desperation. And there it was, Ephesians 4:32, "Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other just as in God forgave you." It felt weird at first, this idea of a forgiveness ritual, writing down the hurts, praying over them, and symbolically letting them go. But what if it was God's nudge? That night, in a vivid vision, she saw Jesus on the cross, forgiving freely despite the pain. And it broke her tears of release washing over, a reminder that no sin is too great for His mercy. If your heart is stirring right now, imagining that freedom, don't stop here. The real miracle unfolds next. Moments like this remind us we're all seeking that divine peace. If it's stirring something in you, subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't miss the next story that could heal your own wounds. We're building a community here at Shepherd's Faith, one testimony at a time. The next morning, Sarah went home with renewed hope. She shared the verse and the ritual with Mike, who was skeptical at first, his pride holding him back. But as they sat together, listing out the grievances, the resentments, the misunderstandings, they prayed over each one, invoking Christ's forgiveness. Then, in a simple act, they tore up the list, symbolizing release. Overnight, something shifted. The walls that had divided them crumbled. Honest conversations flowed. Laughter echoed in the house again, like God Himself rebuilt our foundation from the ashes of our mistakes. It's that overwhelming sense of grace that makes you pause and thank Him. Have you felt it? The story's not over. See how this faith step can change yours too. This weird Bible trick isn't complicated. It's rooted in Scripture's power. Start by reflecting on your hurts. Pray Ephesians 4:32 over them. Forgive as Christ forgave you, and release them symbolically. To deepen it, try these 3 supporting verses. Colossians 3:13, for bearing with each other. 1 Corinthians 13:2, 4-7 for love's patience. In Matthew 6:14, for the promise of God's forgiveness. Your story might be next. Imagine the peace of waking up renewed, knowing God's faithfulness never fails. Don't let pride steal your happily ever after. Try this tonight. If this touched your heart like it did mine, remember, God's miracles are for everyone, including you. From the depths of brokenness to the heights of restored faith, this is the journey He invites us all on. Subscribe now to Shepherd's Faith. Join thousands finding hope in these stories. Like if you're claiming this for your marriage, share with a friend who needs it, and comment below. What's one hurt you're ready to forgive? Let's support each other in the comments. Next up, the verse that crushed my anxiety. You won't believe the peace. God bless you. See you soon.